Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today I will tell you something extra on GDP. Friends, only surface knowledge is not enough in getting good a score. You must have a little bit depth understanding of any topic, okay? So friends, GDP can be categorized into two types, actual GDP and potential GDP. First of all, we will try to understand the concept of actual GDP, later on potential GDP, okay? So, what do you mean by actual GDP? Friends, the final monetary value of goods and services produced over a period of time. Generally, we take 1 year within the domestic territory. Then we can get the concept of actual GDP. But if we try to understand the concept of potential GDP, then we can say that GDP we get when resources are fully utilized. Okay, this is the basic and minor difference between these two terms. I hope you understand. And friends, one thing I will tell you, generally the actual GDP is less than potential GDP. This is also a fact. Okay, I hope you understand, and I will post the video on regular basis. Thanks.